What's up, everybody? So I just finished soldering my oscilloscope that I used in the previous video to this one. And while I've got everything set up, I figured I'd go ahead and make this stupid little thing. I ordered this as just a little kit to see if it was worth doing a review over to basically help teach people how to solder. Of course, my phone is deciding to go off now. Looking at this, it's gonna be simple. It doesn't even come with a manual. Incorrect. It unfolds. Okay, so you'll notice in a lot of my videos, well, not a lot of them, but my videos at the moment, I am admittedly not great with resistor values from just straight up looking at a resistor. So what I use is a Rigel DM3058E, which is a benchtop digital multimeter. And that's what these leads are going to. It's just sitting up there on a shelf over my desk. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to meter before installing. To make this a little bit easier, I'm going to go ahead and solder this stuff down right now. I'm wondering how much easier this will be to solder than the last kit that I did for the oscilloscope. The answer is much easier. This is a much higher quality board as a whole. This just soaks up solder, like I haven't even need to think of the word flux to do this. The whole purpose of me trying this specific kit is to try and find good kits for people to recommend to people to learn how to solder. I'm more than halfway through and it's taken me 10 minutes. I mean, today it's 8:13 p.m. and I've already built an oscilloscope effectively. And now I'm building this, and I've done it all in a matter of a few hours. There we go. But you can see those solder joints are coming out quite well. I will say, this is a very well-designed board. I like this. An appropriately sized flathead can always take the place of a Phillips. If I had a 9-volt battery, this would work. Luckily for me, even though I don't have a 9-volt battery, I have a benchtop power supply. I use the Rigel, the DP832A. It is currently set to 9 volts. Just in case, I'll knock it down to 8.5. And then it basically gives you a game of chance. Every time you hit the button, it's like you're spinning a wheel and it decides between yes and no. So far it's told me yes, then no. Let's see what it tells me this time. No. So, as you can see, that was an easy project. The total time from when I hit record in OBS to now is 26 minutes. I think someone even inexperienced could get this done in an hour. Someone who's never soldered before and just needs to follow the directions really well. I very much like the way they wrote these directions. This is very detailed. This is exceptionally well done. I very much like the design of this. If you like what I do, let me know. If you don't, let me know. Tell me. Just keep me up to date or something. I don't know. Coming up next, maybe when I'm done filming this, I have a little mini Tesla coil that I'm going to be soldering up. We'll find out together. See ya.